Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC40 and Lexus NX 300. We'll dive into their distinct characteristics, from performance to interior design, helping you understand which luxury compact SUV might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Get ready for a detailed look at what makes each of these vehicles stand out, ensuring you make an informed decision for your next vehicle purchase. The Volvo XC40 typically features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, often with a mild hybrid system, delivering around 197 to 247 horsepower. It offers responsive acceleration and a dynamic feel. The Lexus NX 300, on the other hand, usually comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing about 235 horsepower. It prioritizes a refined and comfortable ride, making it ideal for daily commutes and longer journeys. The XC40 generally has a slight edge in fuel efficiency. Inside, the Volvo XC40 showcases a minimalist, Scandinavian design with high-quality materials, often including recycled fabrics. It features a 9-inch vertical infotainment touchscreen with Google built-in and offers up to 5 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. The Lexus NX 300 presents a more driver-focused cabin with a refined aesthetic and premium upholstery. It typically includes an 8-inch or 10.3-inch display screen and provides up to 6 cubic feet of cargo capacity with the rear seats down. Both the Volvo XC40 and Lexus NX 300 excel in safety, earning high ratings from organizations like IS and Euro NCAP. They come equipped with comprehensive safety suites, including features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. When it comes to value, the Lexus NX 300 often holds a stronger resale value and is known for its rock-solid reliability. The XC40, however, can sometimes offer a lower starting price. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the XC40 modern Scandinavian design and spirited drive or the NX 300 proven reliability and refined comfort. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.